Hello everybody, I'm here with laundry detergent chat. So today I want to talk about Home Select powder laundry detergent, biodegradable and phosphate free, winning gold. It says brightener, special cleaner, stain remover with fabric softener. Does 9 loads. It has a fresh linen scent. So I went to a supermarket and I saw this, and it was like $1.59, and it's a very small box. And I said, I'm gonna try this and see whether I like it or not. So I tried it. It has, they say, a fresh linen scent, but to be honest with you, the scent is not that strong. But I'm gonna tell you guys, I love this laundry detergent. I'll let you see it up close. The reason why I like this detergent so much, my clothes were so clean, and although it doesn't have like a perfumey scent, my clothes smell so clean. You know, sometimes I hear people saying, I don't like that borax smell, or you know, stuff like that, but let me tell you something. I love how clean this smells. And when my clothes, once I dried my clothes and everything, it had just a genuine clean smell without all those perfumes. Now, I am a person, I like great smelling, perfumey laundry detergents, but there are times when I just want my clothes clean. I don't want it to be super perfumey or anything like that, and that's where this laundry detergent comes in. My clothes were soft too, so it does have fabric softener in there, and no stains. If you see this, get it. Like I told you guys before, these little boxes and stuff like this, you can take with you to the laundromat, and you can avoid paying their extra fees for their little tiny laundry detergents. I know some laundromats will give you some detergent, but do we know what's in that detergent? Huh? We don't even know what that detergent is. We just see they just pour it in a little small something, and you wash your clothes with it. And I'm not saying those are bad, but this I can read and see what's in there. Surprised about this. This is not available everywhere because I just stumbled upon this laundry detergent, but I'm just here to let you know, if you see the Home Select powder laundry detergent with the fabric softener, grab a few of them up, stock up on them, put them away. So this is end of laundry detergent chat. I will be coming back soon with some more videos. Thank you so much for watching.